First here we have our booster master combo for the A-body Mopar applications. This is going to be a 8-inch dual booster. It's going to be a 1-inch or 1 1/8 inch bore master cylinder. We're showing it here in the conventional finish. We do have this available in a chrome finish as well. These particular units are going to use a bell crank assembly on the back here. This raises the unit up, corrects all of your pedal ratio right here within this portion of the bracket. Bolts right directly to your manual brake location on the firewall. Comes with a couple of different push rods, one installed, a couple loose, gives that pedal location the proper placement. And then of course the couple of different plates with the boot to seal it off from the firewall. Like any brake booster, these require a minimum of 18 inches of vacuum at idle for proper operation. With all of our Booster Master combo kits is a complete and detailed instruction pamphlet for each individual application. Included with all of our boosters is a hose kit. Hose kit's going to include a length of 11/32 vacuum hose, intake manifold fitting, along with a syringe bleeder for bleeding the master cylinder. And remember, if you are converting to a disc drum or a disc setup, be sure and order the proper valve for the system.